We're here with Master-Bilt to present our MBU-A series Undercounter Worktable refrigerator and freezers made in the USA. All units are 36 inches high and 30 inches deep. Sizes range from 27.5 to 72 inches on our refrigerators and 27.5 by 60 inches on our freezers. Self-closing doors which help keep perishables fresh. Standard heavy-duty vinyl-coated shelves. Standard items also include heavy-duty casters for easily movable and cleanability. This unit has a front-breathing refrigeration system design which allows for zero clearance installation on sides, back, and top. Also on this unit is an optional available pan rack that can be placed inside the unit very easily. We also have available already set up for application of an optional overshelf as well. Also on this unit is our easy standard condenser filter screen, which is removable without tools for easy condenser coil cleaning, resulting in peak efficiency and extended equipment life. The warranty on this unit is 3 years parts and labor, 2-year compressor.